Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you two methods which we will use for finding stocks on eToro. So let's go with the first one. So if you already have a company in mind, what you can do is look at the very top of your screen on both web and mobile. You will see search bar basically, and then you can type in, let's say, Apple. And just like that, here you will see Apple stock. Simple as that. Now the second method. So if we want to see what's trending or explore different sectors, what we can do is here on the left hand sidebar, you will see discover button. So this one with magnifying glass, and you click on it, and right here we have basically segment by segment industry sectors, so like healthcare, energy, technology. Basically what we see also is daily movers. Here at the top, explore global markets and so on, and this way you can find what suits you best for your trending. So you have here also drone tech. We can take a look inside of this. Also we have some news, and yeah, this is here what you can basically search for. At the top here you have stocks, crypto, and so on, so what you want to invest. And yeah, you can also see the peoples who are in these, like investors and so. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can find yourself a stock in which you want to invest. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.